Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest for retirement early, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize the power of compound interest and build substantial wealth over time. Step 1. Understand the incredible advantage of starting early. Money invested in your 20s has 3 to 4 decades to compound, potentially growing exponentially compared to investments made later in life. Step 2. Make retirement savings a priority, even if you have student loans or other debts. Contribute at least enough to get your full employer match while tackling high-interest debt aggressively. Step 3. Take advantage of your long-time horizon by investing heavily in stocks and stock funds. Young investors can weather market volatility because they have decades to recover from downturns. Step 4. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like workplace plans and IRAs. The tax benefits and contribution limits make these accounts ideal vehicles for long-term wealth building. Step 5. Automate your retirement contributions so money moves directly from your paycheck to retirement accounts. This ensures consistent investing regardless of market conditions or personal circumstances. Step 6. Live below your means and avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Channel raises and bonuses into increased retirement contributions rather than spending more. Step 7. Educate yourself about investing and personal finance to make informed decisions throughout your career. Knowledge gained early pays dividends through decades of better financial choices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.